This quick tutorial will show you exactly how to avoid plagiarism in Grammarly. Whether you are a student, a professional writer, or anyone keen on ensuring the originality of your work, Grammarly's plagiarism detection feature can be a reliable tool. Today, I'll guide you through the steps to use this feature effectively, ensuring your writing remains unique and free from unintentional duplication. First things first, go ahead and open your document inside Grammarly's web editor. You can do this by navigating to app.grammarly.com and logging into your account. Once you're in, make sure your document is uploaded and ready for review. The web editor is where all the magic happens, so having your document open here is essential to utilize the full range of Grammarly's features. Now, direct your attention to the right-hand side of the screen. You'll notice a utility sidebar menu. This is your control center for various tools that Grammarly offers. Look for the plagiarism button, which is conveniently represented by a quotation mark icon. Click on this icon to activate the plagiarism detection feature. This small action sets in motion a powerful scan of your document, comparing your text against billions of web pages and academic papers. Once you've clicked the button, Grammarly will automatically scan your text and provide you with an overall similarity score. This score, expressed as a percentage, gives you an immediate indication of how much of your text matches other sources. A higher percentage suggests more similarities, so aim for a lower score to ensure originality. Next, scroll through your document. As you do, keep an eye out for any text that Grammarly highlights. Passages highlighted in yellow or gray indicate matches with text found verbatim somewhere else on the internet. These highlights are crucial as they point out the specific areas in your document that require your attention. When you come across highlighted text, consider revising or rewriting these sections to better align with your original voice and perspective. This is your opportunity to ensure that your work stands out as uniquely yours and that it adheres to ethical writing standards. Remember, Grammarly's plagiarism detection is not just about finding matches, but also about helping you understand where and how your content intersects with existing materials. This understanding can be instrumental in developing your writing skills and honing your ability to craft original content. As you make your revisions, keep in mind the importance of citing sources correctly if you're including quotes or ideas that are not your own. Proper citation not only upholds academic integrity, but also adds credibility to your work. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to creating plagiarism-free content. Using Grammarly's plagiarism detection feature allows you to confidently submit or publish your work, knowing it reflects your original thoughts and ideas. This simple guide has shown you how to avoid plagiarism in Grammarly, ensuring your writing remains both authentic and professional.